So far we are loving this. Exceeded initial expectations. Sturdy, attractive, easy to install. You feel like you are actually in a real hot tub. Let me start by saying, the reviews are right. It's a great inflatable spa. What I love about this spa, it's very easy to set up, very sturdy, very well made, and the faux wicker masks the fact that it's basically an inflatable tube. It says 3 to 5 people, nope. It's 2 of us and we could probably fit 1 more adult comfortably. I'm 5 and I ordered a spa booster because once the bubbles are on your neck deep. My husband is 6 foot and he's very comfortable. He likes that he can stretch his legs and won't hit the other side. But, if you want more room, definitely go with a 6-person model. That being said, if you don't want to invest in a permanent hot tub, it's a great alternative. We are enjoying it for sure. My only complaint is that it doesn't hold the heat well. It took about 18 hours to get to 100 star. I expected that, but as soon as you remove the cover it drops 2 degrees almost instantly. I live in NOLA and we don't have a lot of winter weather, it's pretty mild. It was about 66 asterisk outside when we got in and it lost heat quickly once we got in. It got to 95 asterisk and we got out, covered it and waited until it went back up to 102 asterisk to get back in. It took at least 2 hours with the cover on to get there, maybe more. The bubbles seem to accelerate the loss of temperature, big time. Now, I like to sit in it like Kramer. LOL, a long time. I'm kinda disappointed in that because I've read so many reviews over the last year about Bestway products and a lot of them said they hold the temp pretty good in colder climates than this. Maybe the unit isn't working like it should, but that's the only downside of this spa. All in all, worth the price. When you get in with an adult beverage, you'll be happy you bought it. Update 1/3/2020, I contacted the company because we noticed the unit makes a high-pitched noise when you turn on the bubbles. If you turn it off and on again it stops, but I think it's an indication that something is wrong with the unit. Haven't heard back from anyone yet. Didn't have high expectations for an inflatable hot tub, but I'm very impressed so far. Well packaged, easy to assemble, sturdy, looks great, easy to use. Time will tell how it holds up. Ordered this on Black Friday and just put it together 2 weeks ago. Was excited when it came. Directions, even though they were pictures, were easy to figure out. The only problem I am having is a high-pitched noise from the motor when I put the bubble on. I'll be contacting the company to see if this noise is typical, as I had friend help me put it together. She who owns a Coleman inflatable spa and stated her spa does not make a high-pitched noise when she puts on her bubbles. I hope my issue can be resolved, as I really love the spa. This is my first hot tub. Setup was not too bad, but I did freak out a little when I thought one of the connections was too long. Turns out that's the way it is supposed to be. Connect the long hose first, then connect the other small hose, then connect to the larger hose. It went together just fine, even though initially it looked like it would never fit up. Click on the link below to see price.